Kia ora, hello, from the sunshine capital of New Zealand. I'm Andrew Greenhough, together with Jenny Wheeler. We've been winemakers here at Greenhough in Nelson at the top of the South Island. For obvious reasons, we're unfortunately not able to make it over to the UK at the moment, but nevertheless we felt it important to introduce ourselves and our wines and to say how delighted we are to be represented in the UK by the independent family-owned wine companies of the Merchant Vintners Group. We've been making wine in Nelson for the past 30 years. All fruits grown on site here at the home vineyard in Hope and on the Morrison vineyard a few hundred metres from here, 13.5 hectares in total. The wine's also made on site, the winery here in Hope. Since 2008 we've managed the vineyards organically. This is important to us. Not only are we interested in caring for our environment, after all it's an environment that we live in and work in, but also as a means to enhancing wine quality with a view to greater authenticity. At the moment we're involved in the final stages of pruning, and as always time seems to be our enemy. We've had a mild winter and already magnolias are in blossom and the daffodils are out, so bud burst isn't far away, maybe mid-September, a month away. We are pleased to be able to show you 4 wines currently from the Greenhough range in the UK. There's the Apple Valley Riesling 2019. This is a lighter style Riesling which shows lower alcohol and higher residual sugar. It starts with a lovely burst of sweet fruit, apples and citrus, but is balanced by a fine acidity which finishes crisp and fresh. The second wine is the River Garden Sauvignon Blanc 2019. It's definitely in a more tropical, riper style of Sauv Blanc. Typically of the regional style here in Nelson, it shows a little more restraint and less pungency than your classic Marlborough style. Lower yields also mean that we have a little more concentration in fruit and a very balanced acidity. The Roadblock Chardonnay 2018, barrel fermented and aged on lees for 10 months, is a style which is gently complex through the barrel aging. The oak component is very much in the background with an emphasis on nice melon, citrus fruit characters and yellow fleshy fruits. It's a medium-bodied Chardonnay style. The Stone's Throw Pinot 2017. Typically for our style of Pinot there are characters of spice and some savoury fruit notes. Definitely in the red fruit spectrum with a little of the darker brambly berry characters as well. Subtle structure and well-bound integrated tannins for relatively easy drinking and early drinking, but also with the ability to age 5 to 8 years very comfortably. The image on our label represents harvest, the culmination of the growing season, and the fruits of our labour. So I hope that gives you some very brief introduction to who we are and to our wines available in the UK. Meanwhile, I can only hope that this crazy pandemic situation doesn't go on for too many years ahead, and that eventually we'll make our way to the UK to visit you in person, or that you may visit us at the cellar door over summer. Meantime, I hope you all stay safe. Kia kaha.